Hey there folks! Today we're going to whip up something truly culinary marvel, vegan croissants, soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. And the best part? We won't be using any animal-based ingredients. Are you ready to learn how to make these delights? Let's kick things off with the dough. Mix the yeast, warm plant-based milk, and sugar together. Let that mixture sit until it gets nice and frothy. This step is crucial for the softness of our croissants. In a big bowl, combine the all-purpose flour and salt. Add the yeast mixture and stir until everything comes together, forming a slightly sticky dough. Now, it's time to get your hands dirty, literally. Knead this beauty on a floured surface for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes elastic and soft. Shape it into a ball and set it aside. Roll out the dough into a rectangle and spread our vegan margarine on it. Then fold it like a letter and wrap it in plastic wrap. Pop it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Repeat the process of rolling, folding, and chilling 2 more times. This will create those incredible layers that croissants are known for. After the final fold, let the dough rest in the fridge overnight. That's the key to the flavor. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Roll out the dough, cut it into triangles, and roll them from the base to the tip. They might look like mini croissants now, but don't worry, they'll puff up beautifully in the oven. Place your croissants on a baking sheet and brush them with melted vegan margarine. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until they turn golden and delicious. Let them cool a bit, but not so much that you can't enjoy these warm wonders. And there you have it, homemade vegan croissants, fresh and simply delicious. Perfect for breakfast or a snack. Now that you've made it this far, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. Happy New Year and bon appetit!